Hello everyone, this is B for Try Me Once Reviews, and today we are looking at Satechi Aluminium Power Strip. I've reviewed so many power strips, but this is by far one of the most beautiful power strips I've ever got to see. Again, Satechi delivers amazing finished products, which uh, if you have an Apple, Mac, and Apple devices, they just match your whole decorum, and it's really nice looking power strip. So looking at the power strip, it comes with a heavy gauge, so a 4 feet long wire with 4.5 feet long cord. It has 4 outlet ports which are equally spaced. You can even fit the bigger adapters here without any issues. And then there's this on off switch. This is red on off switch, so there would be a light indicating inside once it's powered on. On the back end side, you have two holes for mounting the power port. Very thoughtful thing, because you usually would like to mount these kind of power strips to somewhere around your desk to keep it stable. And then finally you have four supercharging smart ports, which uh, gives you the flexibility of charge 4 devices at the same time without using any of the outlet ports. So technically you can charge up to 8 devices using this power strip. The total output across these 4 ports is 6 ampere at 5 volts. That means you could charge 3 iPads, 3 iPads, or basically a couple of iPads and a couple of smartphones at the same time. We're going to test it and see how much current they provide. Each port is capable of providing 2.4 ampere of current, so we are going to quickly test that. I've powered it on. On the other side of it, you can see this light is there, so I could turn it off, it turns on, and the light tells you whether its power is on and off. So now I have connected this device to my iPad, and as you can see right now, it's supplying about 2.04 ampere of current at around 5 volt to iPad, which is sufficient to charge an iPad. And as I've told you, the total output across all ports is 6 ampere, so you could charge 2 iPads together. And amazing construction, a really neat rectangular design, and 8 devices capacity of charging 8 devices. This was B for Try Me Once Reviews.